in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set default apps on your ASUS tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select default apps. You want to scroll through this list and locate the application you want to set as default. And then where it says set default up at the top, you go ahead and select that, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.